a little rain today. I always call it the rain that you didn't wash your car for 3 weeks ago. Yeah, finally came. little morning sarcasm. I'm standing back here in a place that stays dry in the rain. I'll have a couple of roses down there. Eventually, they're just beginning to sprout. Everything is so slow this year. Okay, good morning, folks. We really have had a dry spring season. You know, usually April is what they call the cruelest month, and rain is part of the reason for that, but we've had very little, and here it is May already. Good.